උපාධි ප්‍රදානෝත්සවය ආරම්භ වූ බව ප්‍රකාශ කරමි.
That the degree of Master of Business Administration be conferred on those who are presented by the Director of the Postgraduate Institute of Management.
Bandara Soba Kumar. Bandara Darshana Nuwan. Goralugoda Rusiru Chiranjeev. Karthik Balachandra Rajan. Karuna Ratna Ian Kanchana.
It gives me great pleasure to stand here to congratulate you on your achievement in earning your postgraduate degrees offered by the Postgraduate Institute of Management of the University of Jayawardenepura.
For all of us, at some point in our lives, we wanted the same. We need our life and our work to mean something. Without a quiver, PIM has certainly prepared us for this journey. Venerable Chancellor, Vice Chancellor of the University of Sri Jayawardenepura, Guest of Honor, Mr. Aidan Lynham, Corporate Functional Manager, Holcim South Asia.
As the Chancellor of the University, I congratulate all those who graduated today, the various branches of discipline, of management, and I wish that they will be able to make a long-lasting contribution to and excel in the respective spheres of human activities they have chosen.